Guys, it's Zigzag Xavier right here. I was showing how to hack Subway Surfers with the only app called Lucky Petzer, and it will be coming right now. So you guys first have to download Subway Surfers on Play Store. Okay.
What are you doing?
I know. Seriously.
I just heard it off. You said you showed people how to hack Subway servers. Do I have the app already? It's fucking awesome, bro. Like I can hack any game I want. Clash of Clans, Clash Royale.
Any game. Seriously. I will put the app in the description.
And hey guys, check my channel out. It's um FGR Mobile Gamer. You can check it out. There's already one video uploaded about Bomb Squad. I don't know if you guys like Bomb Squad, but it's a quite shit. It was my mistake. But I'll upload some videos during the week. I hope people like them and subscribe to them. Peace. See you guys.
And I'm right here on the YP8 lights. I will be getting the P9 maybe in October or November.
That just shows how young he is. Don't trust him.
This guy here next to me, guess how old is he? He's now only 10. Yes. And it's finally finished. Okay, I'll be opening it now. Oh, Subway Surfers World Tour Havana. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, it's first a tutorial, mates. Right. Now snip that Zyke. Back up. Number one, mate. First moves are right. Okay, let's try that reward. Okay, mate. Okay, so I'm gonna die here. Another one, okay. Another one. Another one, mate. So let's do that. Okay, let's just try it. Okay. Let's go into the shop. Plus. And let's try this special deal. Okay, the first thing that you do, you don't tap the first one, you tap the second one and the last one. So, yes. Okay, it's contacting.
Didn't you mean what you want to do is not tap any and then say yes?
Okay, mate, it works. So just shut up.
Again.
Okay, let's try the last one. Same thing. And then it works. Okay, let's try the keys. And you can see that it's so cheap. Now let's go buy some characters. Okay, let's try the new one.
As you guys can see,
Ramona.
he has more coins than anyone in this game.
Okay, and do the work, mate. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And please leave a like and comment below. Okay, I'll 4,000 likes. I'll make more videos for you guys. So bye. See you.